Hi guys, I'm Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how I've created this makeup look in just less than 5 minutes. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. To start with, I'll apply this moisturizer from L'Oreal, which is the Antiox moisturizer. I'll apply it all over to my face and massage it in a circular motion and leave it for 5 minutes so that my moisturizer gets well absorbed into my skin. Now we'll move on to the primer. For that, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now this is a mattifying primer and it's a silicone based primer, so I'll apply it all over to my face and massage it. Now for foundation, I'm using this Physicians Formula Brightening Complex Foundation with SPF 20, and this comes with a doe foot applicator, and then I'll blend the foundation with the beauty blender. Now for this look, I'm not using any concealer, so I'm using the same foundation as my concealer and applying to my usual areas where I conceal, and then with the help of the spoolie, I'm giving a shape to my eyebrows. And once there's a shape to my eyebrows, I'll use this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and then I'll keep my eyebrows very natural, and with the same foundation I'll take a different angular brush and just conceal my extra hairs with the same foundation which I've used. Now moving on to the compact, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Light Ivory, and I'll pack those areas where I put that extra foundation for concealing, and then I'll dust off the excess with that fluffy brush. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be concealing my eyes with the same foundation so that there's no discoloration, and set it with a compact. And then for my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Root Cosmetics palette and take this brown shade from the palette and apply it all over to my crease with that fluffy brush. I'll keep my eyes very simple and not too blingy, and then I'm taking the shimmer shade with the help of my fingers. I'll be applying this shade all over to my eyelid, and then I'll blend it with a small fluffy brush. And to keep it much lighter, I'll be taking this golden shade from the palette and be highlighting my inner corner of the eyes and my brow bone. For mascara, I'll be using this L'Oreal Fall Superstar Mascara, and this mascara is my favorite because it lengthens my lashes so well. Now moving on to the contouring, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Pore Focus Concealer as my contour, and I'll blend it with the beauty blender. And then with the help of this compact, I'll make my contouring more sharp and crisp, and then I'll dust off the excess with a fluffy brush. And then for highlighter, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette, which has a bronzer and a highlighter, and I'll apply it on the bridge of my nose. And to set all my makeup, I'll use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus spray, and I'll just dab it with a beauty blender. Now for my lips, I'll be using the Shea Ball lipstick. All the links will be given in the description box, so do check it. And then again, I'll mix the lipstick with this Urban Decay lipstick to make my lips more defined and dark. And with this, I complete my today's bold lips makeup tutorial. So guys, you can create this look very easily because it's a very simple look. You can go bold with your lips while keeping your eyes very subtle. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will be so grateful to you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.